Somalia in the Horn of Africa.
There was a big bomb that sucked all the air out of my lungs. There was a cloud of black smoke behind us.
Civil war has turned the capital Mogadishu into one of the most dangerous places on earth.
My family there is finished. My family.
When we talk about Somalia, what comes to the minds of many is pictures of guns, bullets flying all over, pirates, wounded women and children, a real breeding zone for terrorists.
Since 1991, when Somali government collapsed, the Somalia government becomes three different bad regions. First is Somalia, or South, which is taking place the painful wars. Second is Puntland, which is live with the pirates. And third is Somaliland, which have enough and more stability.
After landing at the Igali International Airport, all seemed fine and exceeding my expectations. Friendly people, safe drive in and out of the city, beautiful hotels, safe roads, clean beaches, schools, and even farms.
The town has beautiful hotels, and we'll go to the markets and see how the people are living now and their prosperity.
Today I'm in the capital city of Somaliland, Hargeisa. As we are talking, Somalia is fighting furiously. But here in Somaliland, it's an island of peace.
When the civil strife came in 1991, people moved back to their backyards, okay? The ones from Puntland, they went and created their own federal state of Puntland. The ones of Somaliland moved from Mogadishu to the north and created the Somaliland. They moved back to the original colonies, like Somaliland was a protectorate of the British protectorate. So when you view peace in a broader sense, there is no peace in the south, but in Somaliland, the peace has been jealously protected.
And I also meet other foreigners from the East Africa who are working here.
On basis of peace, Somaliland, there are no ugly incidences unless they come about by people with the mentality of the South.
Many of us didn't expect a safe environment in Somali soil, but you are wrong to believe all the media shows.
Mama Africa.
The
The picture I had is exactly what is portrayed by the media. What is exactly happening in the Mogadishu? These are the kind of things. I expected when you're walking, you could see a rocket-propelled grenade passing over, or maybe you could hear sounds of bullets here and there, bombs here and there. But believe me, there's no such thing.
I was surprised to learn that the streets here in Hargeisa are more safe than in many African cities.
Show us the way, Mama Africa. Show us the
way. Being an Islamic nation under the Sharia law, alcohol is prohibited, and hence the absence of nightclubs.
I mean, alcohol is prohibited here because, you know, it's a Muslim country.
During the time when I came here, there was no houses. There was no so much people. So the changes which I can say is only that there was a lot of traditions by that time. But now tradition has gone down in a way that there are houses, there are so many people who have come back. There's been open other institutes like schools, like institute. All those.
This is a society which is very closed. I can confess that for like 1 full year we have worked with my colleagues, but I've never even seen the window of their houses. Can you imagine that?
They have to change, divert from using Somali language and use English language as it happens in East Africa. Yes. I'm from Uganda myself. That's what I passed through. Even the Minister of Education has a lot to do.
Africa unite, Africa unite, Africa unite, Africa unite, Africa, Africa, Africa unite.
As I leave this place, I am convinced that there is some truth and people don't know about the Somali.
When you get here, you expect to see trucks of policemen and bullets and those machines, whatever, for fighting. But it is different when you come here. You find it is quite peaceful. Though there are not so many people around the streets walking around. It's the opposite of what people at home think.
And as sure as there is part of Somalia that is free from the anarchy the world believes, when I get another opportunity, I will not be afraid to fly Dalo to this dreaded land of war and pirates.